July is back with a vengeance. In August! Yes, it's Haley here to tell you that it's hot, but if you live in one of these areas, you probably already knew that. Heat advisory, flash flood thing? Oh, extreme fire danger. I have not seen that color. See, and it looks almost the exact same shade as, you know, heat advisories. So that's bad and stupid. You know, there's only so many colors, I guess. So this is all red flag warning. And hey, this one actually means something to the everyday person. Extreme fire danger as opposed to red flag, whatever that means. Hot and dry conditions in South Dakota plains. Relative humidities, right? So it's dry, it's hot, oh yeah, and there's the winds. So grassland fire danger index will be an extreme category this afternoon. I'm not familiar with the area, but if you're in that, you should totally pay attention to that. We have excessive heat warning down here. I believe this is the heat advisory color. You betcha. And hurricane warning, but we'll talk about that later. Here's where it's super dry, and compare that to who's gonna get rained on in the next 5 days. And apparently not where the drought is, or not much. 0.5 and 0.8 inches, that's pathetic. You can do better than that, Mother Nature. But here's the hurricane, dumping its 12.5 inches of rain. And this is over 5 days. I should have brought up the, thing. Let's see. Actually, let's go there right now. Let's see if I can find it for you. QPF. There we go. There's QPF, and then let's do day 1. Okay, so the hurricane, not in that one. Day 2. The hurricane's starting to drop some rain. What about day 3? I don't know. 2 inches, so anyway. But, you can look at it yourself. So, in 5 days, over 5 days, 12.5 inches of rain will be dropped in this general area. Here's who's still flooded after all this time. Here's the major flooding, as is often the case. Here's today's severe weather outlook with significant hail, as we're going to see. Here's the specific chance of wind as high as 15%. Here is the hail risk. So you have the 15% area. So these are the risk of hail 1 inch or larger. And here in the black hatched area, there's a 10% chance or greater of 2 inch or larger hail. Here's the tornado risk, 5% and 2%. How about that? Tomorrow, slight risk area again. Here's the probability map. Well, we have the 15% and then the 5% surrounding it. Here's the Eastern Pacific, where it's quiet. And here's Hurricane Irene. And then apparently a 20% and a 20% wave back out there. So Hurricane Irene, here's the path. So major Hurricane Irene. Okay, so I'll show you. Here's the thing where you can actually get like the wind speeds and such. So this is, I looked at it before, this is actually, right now, the maximum predicted wind is 125 miles per hour when it's there. And I believe yesterday the maximum predicted was 115, so they're showing it being stronger. And I believe 125 would still be a category 3. Actually, I need to look into that, don't I? Because now I'm not sure if the Saffir-Simpson scale is based on gusts or if it's based on sustained winds. So, here are some lovely scientific models, and basically they're all saying that it's gonna go up this way. And here's what the GFS model is showing as the path. So here we have, there's the Hurricane Irene out there, and we just watch it as it goes, and draws more and more. It gets lower pressure. I assume that's why there's so many circles around it, because it's lower and lower millibars as compared to the surrounding area, right? So that's just one model, though. Will the GFS pan out? I don't know, but we'll keep an eye on it. Yes, we will. So you head on over to WickedWix, WICKED. WX.com. Take it easy.